There it is. Check that out. Look at that. Man, this smells so good. It's still smoking straight from the oven. Man, this looks like something you get at a restaurant, but you made it at the house. Come on now. Are you looking for a high protein, low fat, super tasty meal? Well, I got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I make a meal that you can have for lunch or dinner that's around 60 grams of protein and around 5 grams of fat. I'm gonna show you a way you can have it with carbs or without carbs. It works for any kind of diet. Whatever kind of diet you're running, it don't matter. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. This meal is so tasty. You're gonna make this meal in under 15 minutes. Really good, really low fat, really high protein. Let's go. So in this meal, what I'm using is cod. Go get you some of this. It's in the frozen food section at your grocery store. Grab you some of this because these are great to keep in the freezer, all right? You put them in the freezer and then when you need them, just take them out. Like if you need to, take them out in the morning. If you know you're gonna have them for lunch, take them out in the morning, put them in a bag, put them in the fridge and let them thaw out. The great thing about these is that they are low fat and high protein. So one fillet of this is gonna get me around 25 grams of protein or so, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly how to cook it. You can either cook it on the stove or you can bake it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake it, but I'm gonna show you exactly the seasonings that I use. You can use these seasonings. You can put your own on however you want to, it don't matter. I'm gonna show you what I use. Check this out. Okay, so here we have the cod. Now what I did is I just put it on this tray. I put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. You can use actual olive oil. I just sprayed it on the bottom and then I set the cod on top. Or you can use, if you want to go with a spray, you can do that. Or if you want to go with the pan butter spray, you can do that one. It's up to you. But I just use this. I sprayed a little bit and then I also spray a little bit on top. Now remember, this is really low fat. So if you use a little bit of olive oil, it's okay, all right? Just as long as you don't use too much, okay? On the seasonings, what I did is I like to mix a bunch of different seasonings together. So right here, I got a little plate of my seasonings. Let me show you what all I use. I use some lemon pepper. I use lemon pepper on everything. You don't have to, it's up to you. I use a little onion powder, a little dill weed. I'll put some of that in there. And then this right here is totally optional, but man, this stuff is great. This everything bagel seasoning tastes, I don't know, it just tastes great on everything, especially on this meal. So if you can find some of this, try it out. And then of course I put a little Tony Chachere's on there. Then what you do is you just put it on the plate and then we're just gonna sprinkle this on top. Rub it in, make sure it all gets some here. There we go. We're gonna bake this at 400 for 10 minutes, all right? Oh, one other thing, a little pro tip. If you do have like one of those smaller ovens, I have a small Ninja oven. Pro tip, if you don't want your house smelling like fish, bake it outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake this outside. If you don't have an oven to put outside, just bake it. It don't matter. You can also wrap this in aluminum foil if you want to keep the heat in. We're gonna bake it at 400 for a little over 10 minutes. Let's go bake it. Okay, now next up, before we talk about the sides that you can have with it, let's talk about the sauce you can have with it. Now this sauce is totally optional, but I like making a sauce for my chicken, for beef, especially for fish. It tastes great. What you need to keep in stock to make any kind of sauce, to make this sauce anytime, okay? It tastes great, high protein, tons of flavor, goes great on everything. Check this out, super easy. A lot of sauces that you see out there, they're gonna use the yogurt as the base, okay? So what I did here is I'm just gonna use half a serving of this Fage fat-free yogurt. That's half a serving right there. Now, all you're gonna wanna do for this sauce, it is so simple. I like to use pure lime juice. If you have fresh limes, you can squeeze a fresh lime in there, or you can even use lemon juice if you want to, or a fresh lemon. I'm just gonna use lime because I think that lime goes a little bit better with the fish. So you just give you a little bit in there, not much, a little splash. You can always add a little more in if you want to. I always recommend you use this. This is optional as well, but the ranch seasoning, this stuff is amazing. Keep this in stock. Go get this at your grocery store, but keep it in stock. It tastes great. Just sprinkle a little bit of that in there. It's gonna give it tons of flavor. This is optional as well, but it's one of my go-tos. Tajin seasoning, man, come on now. You cannot beat this stuff. It is so good, tons of flavor. It's not spicy, but it just goes great with this. I don't know how else to say it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that in there. And I had a cucumber. Okay, this was a little mini cucumber, so I went ahead and shredded it. Now it's even smaller, okay? So what I did is I just shredded a little bit. I'm gonna stick this in there. Look at that. Now, if you don't like cucumbers or if you don't have them, this is optional as well. But anytime I can add cucumber to a meal, I add it. And there it is. You just stir this joker up. Look at that. I mean, this mix right here, it is so good. Check that out. Look at that. I mean, come on now. We made this in minutes. Now that fish is almost done. Let's talk about some sides. Okay, for the sides, so if you're going low carb, one of the best options I always recommend is cauliflower rice. All right, these are great. Keep them in the freezer. You stick them in the microwave. They steam in the bag. So simple, or you can make them on the stove, however you want to do it. But another option I like to use is this right here, mashed cauliflower. If you haven't tried this, go give it a shot. This stuff is great. Put it in the microwave as well for 4 minutes, and you have mashed cauliflower. If you like mashed potatoes, this is your jam right here. Try this out. Low carb, basically low carb mashed potatoes. I'm trying to tell you, go try this out. Let me know if you've tried this before. Okay? This mashed cauliflower is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, but let me give you another option. Now, if you don't mind the carbs, one of my personal go-tos is this right here, Jasmine Rice. I don't know if it can get any easier than these little cups. Look, you just put one of those little cups in the microwave. 220 calories, 43 grams of carbs. So if you're eating carbs, put it with this, man. I'm trying to tell you, that fish with the rice, man, it tastes good. All right, but that's if you're eating carbs. If you're not eating carbs, go with the cauliflower rice. Or even if you're low carb, think about it. If you're running a low carb diet, 43 grams of carbs is not gonna knock you, it shouldn't knock you out. I don't know, everybody's different, but it might not knock you out, okay? So think about this. You can also use brown rice if you wanted to. It's up to you. Sweet potatoes. I mean, this fish goes great with everything, all right? But we also need to have a veggie. Let me show you the veggie I'm using. Right here, it's just some fresh asparagus. Now, what I like to do on the pan, this is cooking as well as the fish is in the oven. I'm just cooking up some asparagus. Now, a couple options what you can do. You can spray it with olive oil. You can use the Pam. So I'm gonna hit it with the Pam. Bam. But that's optional too. Or you can use some spray olive oil. It's up to you. Don't let them cook too long because then it'll get soft. But come on now, asparagus are great for you. If you have broccoli, you can go that route. I just had some asparagus in the fridge. On the asparagus, or most of my vegetables, this right here, Tony Chachere's. Come on now. If you know about this, let me know. You can go with Tony Chachere's, slap your mama, however you want to roll. But man, this stuff right here is amazing on any vegetable. If you don't want to go with the Pam, you can use fresh butter. There it is. Let's go grab this fish. There it is. Check that out. Look at that. Man, this smells so good. It's still smoking straight from the oven. Man, this looks like something you get at a restaurant, but you made it at the house. Come on now. Now what you're looking at here is just a cod on some mashed cauliflowers with the side of asparagus and that dip that we made. Come on, man, you're looking at around 350 calories or so. Now, the way I make it such high protein as well is because the cod alone is not gonna get me to my protein goals. But if I add in something like this, I always have something like this on the side. This is just cottage cheese, whichever kind of cottage cheese you wanna go with. Anywhere from 15 to this one is 21 grams of protein in this container. If you keep these containers in stock, you can have this on the side of that. It tastes great. You can also mix the cottage cheese with that cauliflower, high protein cauliflower mix. Come on now. You also have the yogurt inside of the dip. You got your protein. It is just so good. This is such an easy way. You have to try this lunch. You have to try this dinner, whatever you want to roll with. Those cod fillets are great. You can use any kind of fillets you want to. Just make sure you check the back. Make sure you know how much protein you're getting. Weigh it out and just keep them in stock. It is just an easy way to get protein, to keep your fats low. If you're trying to run a fat loss diet and you need a low fat meal, this has got you covered right here. There's only like maybe 5 grams of fat or so in there. There's not much fat at all. And this mainly comes from the oils that you're cooking in. So if you want to make it less, then just don't cook it in the oils. You can also cook it in like lemon juice or lime juice or however you want to do. It's up to you. Make sure you know exactly where your macros are, but this is smelling so good. I mean, look at that plate. Come on now, can you all see that? Look at all that. And this sauce, I'm trying to tell you, this sauce is great. Try this out. It goes great with this fish. It also goes great with chicken. I mean, you can have it on so much stuff, but I always recommend you try to have a veggie as well. Whatever veggie you want. These just asparagus. I showed you how to make it. Very simple. Put a little Tony Chachere's on top or your favorite seasoning, whatever that may be. Or try to get you a veggie in, okay? They're great for you. But man, I'm trying to tell you, I'm about to tear this up. This is looking good. Let me know what you think on this, and I'm gonna go eat this. Come on now.